arrival of smartphone. How will people get up in the morning before the arrival of smartphone? And now let's see after the arrival of smartphone.
She is a fantasy, sha-na-na-na, oh-oh. Sweet as a harmony, sha-na-na-na, oh-oh. She's a mystery, sha-na-na-na, oh-oh.
Oh, what a change! By meantime, how families share their food and weekend.
அதே காத்து வாசம் வேற, அதே மண்ணு வண்ணம் வேற, அதே மக்க வாழ்க்கை வேற, ஒண்ணு மட்டும் மாறவில்லை. மத்த நாட்டு சுவையெல்லாமே ஒத்த வேலை உடைய போல, சுத்தமான நம்மூர் சுவையோ ஆத்தா தந்த உசுர போல.
What about now? Now, no sharing, no caring. A playtime is used to be a fun time for kids. We used to play indoor, outdoor and other traditional games.
வெயிலோடு விளையாடி வெயிலோடு உறவாடி வெயிலோடு மண்ணு கட்டி ஆட்டம் போட்டோமே. எங்கோடு நடுவோடு வருவலம் காட்டோம், தந்தான சுத்தி சுத்தி பட்டம் போட்டோமே.
But now, how we are playing?
Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Boom, boom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da. Zoom, zoom, robo-da, robo-da, robo-da.
Now, no outdoor games, no physical exercise. That's really very. Now let's see about how they consider their moral values. And now, how they are considering their moral values. Now it's day. That's not good. So we conclude that a student having a mobile phone means that the student has everything. Nowadays, I saw a lot of students who are distracted by mobile phones. Their studies and other useful activities are destroyed by the mobile phones. I request you to kindly avoid using the mobile